Hello my beautiful people, this video is the reply video to the 250 subscriber giveaway because I've now reached 250 subscribers. So in this first part of the video I'm going to be showing you what the winners get. The second part of the video will be me selecting the winners from a generator, and then the third part will be me packing the orders ready to send out. So there will be three winners, first, second and a third place, and obviously the amount of stuff that they get will go up. So starting off for the third place winner. So we have two lots of stickers. Then we have a nail file and a nail buffer. We have a full set of tips. We have 3 gel polishes in different colours, a box of holographic glitter, and then several little tubs of small and big glitter in 2 different colours. Now for the second place winner, we have a whole box of nail foils, which you can see there. And then the next thing I'm showing is a nail brush, a set of 3 nail files in 3 different grits, a acrylic brush. It will need priming because all of this stuff is brand new, a box of sequins, 2 lots of stickers, 2 packs of full cover tips in 2 different colours, a pack of manicure clippers, and then I believe there are 5 gel polishes in total, all different colours. Yes, 5: white, peach, pink, yellow and orange. We have some pearls and caviar beads, some sugar, nail sugar, and then a bunch of little glitters as well. And now for our first place winner, an entire box of nail foils again. Then we have 4 lots of stickers, a little palette for mixing on, a brand new pair of cuticle nippers, a glass nail file, an acrylic brush, and then we have some red and black charms, fruit charms. That's a mix of like gold and rose gold charms, paper flowers, a mixed box of charms and sequins and stars and glitter. And then for the pièce of resistance, a brand new complete set of gel polishes, including top and base coats, as you can see there. And again, everything is brand new. Now we're moving on to the picking the winners. So rolling for third place, it is at Hannah Rose 1560. Congratulations. Second place, there we go, at the Butterfly 2018. You've got second place. Congratulations. And the first place winner will be at Katie Cat Nails. Congratulations. So if the winners will please get in touch with me so I know where to send the stuff to, that would be absolutely wonderful. I can't wait to hear from you. And now in this is just me showing you me packing the stuff up ready to ship. So we're starting off on the first place winner, and you can see I'm putting all that stuff that I said that you would be getting into the box, along with that brand new complete set of gel polishes. I believe the company is called Lavender Violets. And yeah, everything is brand spanking new, unopened and unused. Now, the reason there's a gap is the nail foils that I showed you that came in that little tub. I'm actually taking them out of that tub to put them in the box loose, because that little box won't fit in the box that I bought to pack the stuff in. So they are brand new. They've just been taken out of the tub so I can fit everything in, so I can get it, sent out to you. Now, this is me packing the second place winners. And again, you will see me taking out the nail foils out of that container to put them in the box loose. Again, for packing reasons, so I can fit everything in the box. And here I am putting all the little bits in that you've won. And again, please remember to prime that acrylic brush before you use it, because it is brand new. And there are the nail foils that I've taken out of the container. As I said, brand new. It's just for packing reasons. That's why I did that. Me trying to close the box. And me shifting stuff around inside so I can actually get the box closed. And now this is for the third place winner. I'm putting all the bits and bobs in that you have won. And yeah, I hope the winners like what they won and what they have received. And I hope it just brings a smile to your day, as in reaching 250 subscribers brought a smile to my day. So yeah, winners, please get in touch with me so I know where to send the stuff to, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye.